Microsoft Word Chapter 2, Project 1C. We're still in our 2-com terms document. All right, move the insertion point to the beginning of the term chip. Okay, so I need to scroll down. I find chip right there. So I click next to the C in chip. Okay. Now press your enter key. And then, hey, you, there we go. And then press your up arrow one time. Okay? All right, type the text shown in figure 2-4. Okay, look, it's going to tell you to superscript while you're typing, and I'm going to tell you don't superscript while you're typing because what happens is you'll forget to turn it off. So, like all the other formatting, I always type everything in, then I go back and superscript what needs to be superscripted. It's much more precise that way. So go ahead and pause the video and go type what's in figure 2-4 real quick, and then when you're ready to start formatting, turn the video back on and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so you got it all typed in and you fixed any typographical errors you have, and now you're ready to superscript the numbers where it needs to be done. So let's take a look. The first one that needs to be done is it says 5-10, and then right here we need to superscript that 0, right? So let's take a quick look at how to do that. We're going to launch our font dialog box. So on the Home tab, Font Group, there is our Font Dialog Box Launcher. Then in our Font Dialog Box, we're going to come down to Effects, and we are going to Superscript. And you hit OK. Do you see them pop up there? The next one is right here, and that one should be superscripted. Okay, so again, Home tab, Font Group, Dialog Box Launcher, Font Dialog Box on the Font tab in the Effects group, and it is a superscript. Super is like Superman, it goes above the buildings, okay? Subscript would be like a submarine, and it would go below. So superscript it. Okay, and we have one more to do, and it is right here. Okay, and again, Home tab, Font Group, Font Dialog Box Launcher, Font Dialog Box, Font tab, Effects group, Superscript, and OK. Okay, got it all? That was pretty easy, right? All right, step number 3. Remove the underlining and change the case of the text in the title by completing the following steps. A. Select the title, Glossary of Terms. B. Remove all formatting from the title by clicking the Clear All Formatting button in the Font group. Home tab, Font group, see that button right there? It says Clear All Formatting. Okay, it's going to return it to the default font and everything that goes with the default font. All your defaults are restored. Okay. 3C. Click the Change Case button in the Font group and then click Uppercase on the drop-down list. Home tab, Font group, right there. Do you see it? It says Change Case. Hit that down pointing arrow, and it said to select Uppercase, correct? So go ahead and select Uppercase. 3D. Click the Text Effects and Typography button in the Font group, and then click Gradient Fill, Blue Accent 1 Reflection Option. It's the second column, second row in the drop-down gallery. Okay, so to find that, okay, which is our Text Effects and Typography, you see it right here, touch it, it says Text Effects and Typography. Hit that down pointing arrow, and we want, right? Gradient Fill, Blue Accent 1 Reflection, right there. Go ahead and click on it. Okay, and now you just want to change your font size to 14 points. Got it? All right, step number 4. Strike through text by completing the following steps. 4A. Select the words and parenthesis or hack in the crackers definition. So go down to crackers, right here, and right here we want to get the parentheses and the words or hack. Okay, you have to have both the parentheses along with it. B. Click the strike through button in the font group. Okay, right there. Step number 5. Change the font color by completing the following steps. Okay, by the way, deselect so you can see what strike through looks like. And we want to do a Control A, which selects the entire document, right? B, click the font color button arrow. Here's our font color, and there's the arrow right next to it. Click the dark red color, first color option in the standard colors section. Okay, your standard colors right here. There is dark red. Go ahead and click on it. Heavens, that's awful, but pretend. Go ahead and deselect. Mercy, that's bad. 6. Highlight text in the document by completing the following steps. 6A. Click the text highlight color button arrow in the font group and then click the yellow color, which is the first column in the first row of the drop-down palette. This causes the mouse pointer to display as an I-beam pointer with a highlighter pin attached. Okay, so right here, by the way, yellow is the default color. We could have just clicked on it, but I wanted you to see the drop-down palette. And as you move into your document, do you see how it looks like there's a little highlighter going along with your I-beam pointer? All right, select the term beta testing and the definition that follows. So here's beta testing and the definition that follows. Okay. Click the text highlight color button and then click the turquoise color, which is the third column in the first row. Okay, there's turquoise right there. So now we change the color. Okay, 6D, select the term cluster and the definition that follows. There we go. Click the text highlight color button and then click the yellow color. Okay. Now we still have, you see, we still have the pen with us. Go ahead and click that button and turn it off. Now move down here and always check and be sure that you don't still have that pin with you. You wouldn't want a nasty surprise by accidentally turning things yellow when you didn't mean to. So what we did was we turned it back to the default color of yellow. If we hadn't of, it would have stayed turquoise. Okay, and generally speaking, honestly, most people use the yellow highlighter. So we changed it back to yellow and then we turned it off. Okay? All right, step 7. Apply the italic formatting using the mini toolbar by completing the following steps. Step A. Select the text one-stop shopping and the definition for the term aggregation software. All right, so we need to go to aggregation software, which is right here, and we're supposed to select the text one-stop shopping. Okay, one-stop shopping. Now you get your mini toolbar right here. Okay, click the italics button, which is right there. Okay. Step C. Select the word bits in the definition for the term bandwidth. Okay, so we want to go to bandwidth, we want the word bits, and we want to make it italics. All right, hit save, and you're ready to move on to your next video.